Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Affirm virtual cards. Let's get straight into the video. First of all, I'm going to show you how to obtain this card. Now, what you want to do is to first check eligibility. So you got to ensure that you're eligible for an Affirm virtual card by logging into your Affirm account or by contacting the customer service. Now, if you're eligible, you just got to apply for a virtual card through your Affirm account, or you can do that on the mobile app, and then you're going to receive your virtual card details, and that will include the card number, expiration date, and security code. Now, when it comes to using this virtual card, how you want to do that is to add the virtual card to your digital wallets. It could be Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. And what you want to do is just use the virtual card for online purchases at participating merchants. And you could also make contactless payments in store using your digital card. Now, as far as managing the card goes, you can always monitor transactions. You can monitor your virtual card transactions through your firm account, or you can do that on the mobile app. You could also set spending limits. Now, you got set spending limits on your virtual card to, of course, control usage. You could also report lost or stolen cards to a firm customer service, and they're going to help you to take care of that problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.